Well, good day everybody. Let's give you all a little rundown on the current project. Hope y'all are doing good. Hope you've been having a great winter so far. We finally saw some snow for about an hour before it melted. A couple of days of freezing weather. It's been a very warm winter this year for us here in Oregon. But yeah, I hope y'all are doing good. Staying warm, staying safe. All right, what's going on? Our next project video is actually a bunch of little projects. Well, one big project, two big projects, two medium projects, and a few smaller projects. Maybe more than a few. Okay, what's going on? Right now I'm working on a new engine cover. Bam, look at that. I got tired of looking at the gaps around this thing. This just doesn't, I mean, I could have straightened these out maybe and got that to pull down a little better, but these are all bent and it sits loose even when it's tightened down. It's just kind of sitting loose, and also these brackets are pushing. See, I don't know. I just didn't feel like trying to mess with this thing. It's got cracks in it. It's not looking too good. I just didn't like it. Tired of looking at all the gaps around the opening here, and you can see the seal really needs to be replaced. So even if I fixed up those brackets, still wouldn't have sealed very well. You can see good amounts of daylight coming through multiple areas on this, and I didn't really feel like looking for a gasket. You can see I tried adding some door seal to fix the big gaps around the outer edge. I was letting bugs in. I don't want exhaust fumes or anything else getting in here. So I rebuilt the engine cover. Made it out of 1.5 inch angle iron, 1/8 inch thick. I'm gonna grind these flat and add some steel panels and a hinged top so I can get to the air filter and check oil if needed. So about to wrap that up. Today's rainy. It's been a very gloomy past week and a half. 2 weeks, it's been just nothing but, even if it's not raining, it's been very overcast and gray, cloudy, gloomy weather. Today it is raining, so yeah, that's gonna be on hold for a brief moment, but there are many other things I need to do. Bunch of smaller things that I'm not even gonna film very much of, like rerouting these coolant hoses. I wanna put that valve down under this edge of the body a little bit so I can put my air filter duct back in there. And yeah, not gonna film too much of that. I might just take a quick 2-second clip of a before and a quick 2-second clip of an after. Just kind of speed things up. You know, the more I film, the more I'm sitting at the PC editing. So I'm kind of pushing. This is not getting filmed very much. You know, I did do a few clips here and there. I'm speeding things up as much as I can. Also got some rubber edge seal, or some rubber edge protector, whatever. I'm gonna put, it's like U-shaped rubber seal, door seal. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I'm gonna put that along the top edge of this dash panel to protect against that, and I'll probably also put a screw in right there. Once this is done, I'm gonna put in the plywood. Probably just put in 2 sheets of plywood and let this sit open. I don't think I'm gonna be too worried about it. Maybe I'll put a strip of 16 gauge right there, just to kind of protect the insulation mat. Not too worried about it. I really just want a piece of plywood here and a piece of plywood there. And then I can bolt down the seat and put down carpet on the plywood instead of putting it down on this stuff. Plywood, seat, can do carpet later. Also picked up some conduit. I'm gonna run some conduit from down in here up into here somewhere, so I can run house power from the big house battery up into here to run things like the diesel heater or to maybe hook up a voltmeter or battery gauge, battery level gauge, so I can keep an eye on the house batteries from at the captain's seat there. We'll worry about that later. Mostly I need just conduit for the diesel heater, as well as I'm going to run 120 volts up for this fan. Also a little project, or another little project, is adding a relay so I can control the 120 volts. I just cut that cord off and wire it in, hardwire it in. To control that 120 volts from at the dash, so I'm not running 120 up into the dash. I'm just gonna attach this somewhere, who knows where, but another quick little job there is hooking this up so I can control that with 12 volts from the dash panel. What else I think I'm missing? Oh, and then the front cap, that I am also trying to include in this next video. That's the main reason this is just getting a quick before and after few shots. I just instead of making a video for each little project, which is gonna just take so much of my time in editing, I'm gonna try and just start rushing things a little bit with the filming. Let's get this done, boys and girls. So that, yeah, maybe the coolant hoses, since that won't take much. Relay, the rubber edge gasket, so that doesn't drive me insane when I'm driving, and then the front cap. That's actually sitting up there right now. It just needs, I need to put it on, and I need to trim the sides so they're not going so crooked over those beams I installed. And that will be so awesome. That is my main goal in this whole, I got a few smaller things. This is taking a little longer than I thought it would, but that's my main focus. It's my main priority, is get like front cap on. I really want the front cap on. Then I can wire up turn signals, headlights, all that stuff. But front cap on, and that'll be the entirety of the next project video for the next video. A couple smaller things. And then I'm moving on. I might include the plywood in that project video, I don't know. It's not really anything I really need to include you guys on, except maybe a before and after shot. Plywood. Yeah, I might save that for the next video, because then I can maybe add the seat at the same time. I don't want to put too much into one project video, or else it'll be like hours long, multiple hours long. Conduit I might do in this upcoming project video. Something to do real quick. I don't know. Anyway, we got a whole smorgasbord of things I'm getting done here. And yes, this does get kind of close to the gas pedal, but it's actually just perfect. It's as close as it can get, and it's actually gonna scooch over maybe like half an inch once I take all this gasket stuff out. Slide that over. I also need to put a piece of angle iron right on this firewall here to make a seal up against the back of that. The goal is flat edges all the way around, so I can just put a big thick gasket and just have that seal. It's going to be bolted down and then lifted lid. If I really need to take this out, I can unbolt it, but mostly it's just going to be like 1 or 2 bolts, probably a bolt in each corner here, hinged. Flip it up, check my air filter, do some minor stuff, check the engine oil, power steering I check from outside. Just keep an eye on things. I can flip it up. It's also going to be insulated. I'm going to use some more of this stuff. Gonna put that on the inside, top and bottom. Insulate this really good. It's gonna be sealed and insulated like never before. It's gonna be wonderful. And it's gonna be so much easier to carpet that versus carpeting that. It's just get it done mode. I'm in get it done mode. Hurry up. I want to get this 80% done, and then we are going on the road, even if I need to keep coming back to finish some of the bigger stuff. I want this drivable and safe. Licensed, drivable, safe. We're gonna get back to it. I wanna get back to it as soon as possible. We're gonna start stretching our legs, get a little prepared before the big journey out east. So, we'll get those things done. Strap in the tanks. It'll actually be like, freshwater tank, gray tank, kind of comes up here a little bit, then there's the black tank. Strap those in, plumb them in, drill a hole for the waste dump, the waste connection, seal up around it somehow. Floor, shower, toilet. Not too much left to do to get back out there. To get back mobile, I can't wait. Oh, I need to reinstall my choke. I had to come out because that was like right there, so I need to find a new spot for that. Maybe we could find a longer cable and put it up in here or something, or maybe I could get a little actuator. Electronic. No, I need the adjustability of that. We'll figure something out here. I guess it could go on the engine cover. I put it right here or something. Yeah, I'll even make a nice table too. Nice big table there. Alright, you guys. Don't think there's too much else to update on. Lots happening. Can't wait to get back out there. I know you guys are looking forward to that too. This is RV living, not RV rebuilding. This is taking too long. Although it's gonna be worth it. Thank you for watching, everybody. Stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.